Yo, what is up, everybody? And today we're gonna be making a video about the Amazon Echo Dot.
Into you, I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. And baby, even on the worst night.
So right now we got the Amazon Echo Dot. We got the whole thing right here, Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out, and microphone mute, which is pretty cool. These are the features. So you got Alexa to in the room, designed around your voice control, music throughout your home, and also control your smart home hands-free, which is pretty cool. So you got the platform, which is part of the music or music station part in the bottom. It's part of more like the QR code and stuff like that on Amazon on the top. So, second. Here we go. Here we go. Now we got this one out. Open this. Then we're gonna open that other side, and now you got your Echo Dot, which is pretty cool. Cause like this. Let's put out. And we got your Amazon Echo Dot in this part, and your instructions and stuff. The manual, we don't need that. Your things to try list for your Alexa to other people who don't know about these speakers. And these we got a power cable. There we go. Alright, so to all the people who's wondering where they got it from, I got it from Best Buy, which is $19, and it's including this packaging right here, which is the Sengled lightbulb, which is Bluetooth and Alexa only. So there you go. Let's see what we got in this part here. Now, how do we open? Hold up. Here we go. Got one here. Just put on, and you gotta slide things over. Here we go. So the reason why I bought this from Best Buy over one of those newer the reason why I chose to buy this Amazon Echo Dot is over the newest 4th generation Echo Dots. It's because I don't like to look at the new Echo Dot because it's just, I know it's like more like a spear looking speakers, but I don't like the spear looking speakers, so I go for this one. So this is nice though in the hands, and yeah, we got the power, and we got this little packaging around the thing. There we go. I gotta take this one back to the box so that I don't, if I get a faulty unit, you know, I gotta put them back in. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get down to my desk so I can just get my Echo Dot. Alright guys, so here we go. Oh, not that one. Let's add the connector. There's it. Here we go. We got that light on. See if we can find it on the Alexa app. Let's wait until it's bigger up.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
So the Echo Dot was recognized in my app. So let's see what we can find. Searching for Wi-Fi. That's a good sound. Okay, it's connected to my Wi-Fi automatically, which is a good thing. Now the Echo Dot
Your Echo is ready.
Cool. Okay. So continue. Now we got English, which is my preferred language for my electronics I'm using. I'm gonna go for my bedroom because why not? Amazon Sidewalk, which I'm. See, you can record in my video. We got Amazon Sidewalk, which is pretty cool. I might enable that one. Cool. Amazon Smart. Okay. I'm not playing Amazon Music. Nope. Audible. No, thank you. And get started with Alexa.
Hey there. It's nice to meet you. Let's get you started with 4 things to try. You can say stop at any time. Let's get started. To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Try saying this. Alexa, what's the weather?
Alexa, what's the weather?
In Bushnell, it's 57 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Let's try something new to make trips to the store easier.
I don't live in Brooklyn.
I can keep track of your shopping list.
I do not live in
Just say
Brooklyn.
things like,
No.
Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
But say again?
I don't know that.
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:26 p.m. Hope you've had a good Wednesday.
Alexa, say, hey Google.
According to Wikipedia, Google
Announce. Hello.
announcing.
Hello. I'm in the Amazon Echo Dot. It's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead and open up this light bulb that came with the bundle. So let's see. Here we go. So okay, how can I do this? Hold up, guys. Doesn't count. Go. Get that thing out here. And here's how the light bulb's gonna look like. Inside was the instructions, which we don't need that. So let's go ahead and turn. God, this light's having a lot of heat. So hold on, guys. Let me turn this thing off. Get this thing off. Alright guys, so I got this thing set up. Unfortunately, the light that we're seeing right now is not the Sengled bulb. I'll try to connect to the lamp that's in this desk, but unfortunately it's not gonna work. So screw that. So yeah, and I don't know what else I could say here. So let's see what we can do. So Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 6:45 p.m.
And that's my basic stuff. Let's see if where's my phone? Right. Yes. Snap, I just let it in the bathroom. By the way, I'm not gonna be keeping the bulbs inside of this room because I'm probably gonna keep it to the lamp. So yeah. Let's see. So Alexa, turn the lights to 50%.
Okay.
Here you go. Alexa, turn on the lights to Alexa, turn the lights to 75%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
Isn't that cool? Let's turn it on. So Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
Ain't that cool? Anyway, so I was looking for the music service part, which I don't use Spotify right now. Let's see. That's a long name. Give me 1 second. Let's see. Alexa, play Tony by 2 Chainz.
Tony by 2 Chainz from Apple Music.